Welcome back to DecoHolic, where beautiful homes begin with practical ideas and inspiring design. Today, we're stepping into a kitchen that proves you don't need a massive renovation budget to achieve a stunning transformation. With just a handful of thoughtful upgrades, this ordinary space will evolve into a warm, inviting modern farmhouse kitchen that feels timeless, functional, and surprisingly luxurious. If you've been dreaming about refreshing your kitchen without tearing everything apart, this makeover is designed especially for beginners. Every improvement you'll see is simple, approachable, and capable of creating a dramatic visual difference. Sometimes, the smallest changes truly have the biggest impact. Every successful makeover begins by simplifying the space. Before purchasing a single decorative item, remove visual clutter and focus on creating an open, breathable environment. Modern farmhouse style thrives on calmness, so replacing busy colors with soft whites, warm creams, gentle greys, or muted beige instantly refreshes the room. Even repainting cabinets instead of replacing them can completely redefine the kitchen's personality. Neutral backgrounds provide flexibility, allowing textures and carefully selected accents to stand out naturally. This clean foundation creates an atmosphere that feels brighter, larger, and more welcoming while giving every future design choice a cohesive direction. Cabinets occupy the largest visual area in almost every kitchen, making them the perfect place to create dramatic impact without major construction. A fresh coat of paint, repaired edges, updated hinges, and smooth finishes can make decades-old cabinets appear custom-built. Pair these improvements with shaker-style details whenever possible, as their simple lines perfectly complement modern farmhouse aesthetics. Instead of investing thousands in brand-new cabinetry, thoughtful refinishing allows homeowners to preserve their existing layout while achieving a completely refreshed appearance. It's one of the smartest upgrades for beginners seeking maximum transformation on a realistic budget. One of the easiest changes anyone can accomplish in a single afternoon is replacing cabinet hardware. Swapping outdated handles and knobs for matte black, antique brass, brushed nickel, or aged bronze instantly modernizes the entire kitchen. These small details function like jewelry for cabinetry, adding character without overwhelming the overall design. Consistency is equally important. Matching finishes across cabinet pulls, drawer handles, and even faucets creates harmony throughout the room. Despite their modest size, quality hardware introduces craftsmanship and sophistication, proving that meaningful design often lives in the smallest details. Modern farmhouse interiors balance clean simplicity with natural warmth, and wood plays an essential role in achieving that harmony. Introducing floating wooden shelves, butcher block accents, handcrafted cutting boards, wooden stools, or rustic trays immediately softens the crispness of painted surfaces. Mixing different wood tones also adds authenticity rather than making the kitchen feel overly coordinated. These organic textures create visual depth while making the room feel comfortable and lived in. Instead of chasing perfection, embrace subtle imperfections that celebrate natural materials and help transform the kitchen into the true heart of the home. Beautiful kitchens are rarely filled with unnecessary decorations. Instead, carefully selected everyday items become part of the design itself. Replace plastic containers with ceramic canisters, glass jars, wooden utensils, woven baskets, and simple stoneware bowls. Fresh herbs, seasonal fruit, or a small vase of greenery introduce life without creating clutter. Leave generous empty spaces between decorative elements so each item has room to breathe. This thoughtful styling approach makes countertops feel organized, elegant, and highly functional while maintaining the relaxed charm that defines modern farmhouse living. Texture quietly transforms a space by adding richness without relying on bold colors. A classic white subway tile backsplash introduces timeless appeal while remaining budget-friendly and beginner-friendly. Pair this with woven rugs, linen kitchen towels, cotton curtains, or natural fiber baskets to create layers that invite both visual and tactile comfort. Combining smooth surfaces with soft fabrics and handcrafted textures prevents the kitchen from feeling flat or sterile. These subtle contrasts produce a balanced environment that feels curated, welcoming, and effortlessly stylish from every angle. The finishing touches should reflect warmth rather than excess. Decorative accents like vintage pitchers, handmade pottery, framed botanical prints, antique scales, wooden breadboards, or potted herbs add personality while supporting the farmhouse aesthetic. Avoid overcrowding shelves or countertops. Instead, curate meaningful pieces that tell a story and complement the room's overall simplicity. A beautifully styled kitchen doesn't depend on expensive collectibles, it depends on intentional choices that create comfort, authenticity, and visual balance. These carefully selected details transform an attractive kitchen into a space that genuinely feels like home. A kitchen makeover becomes even more satisfying when beauty and functionality improve together. The sink and faucet are among the most frequently used features in any kitchen, making them excellent candidates for a simple yet impactful upgrade. A deep farmhouse apron front sink instantly becomes a charming focal point, while a high-arc pull-down faucet adds convenience for everyday cooking and cleaning. If replacing the sink isn't within the budget, simply installing a modern faucet in a coordinating finish can dramatically refresh the entire workspace. These practical improvements not only elevate the kitchen's appearance but also make daily routines more enjoyable and efficient. Modern farmhouse kitchens celebrate openness without sacrificing order. Instead of hiding every item behind cabinet doors, consider displaying a few carefully curated everyday essentials on open shelves. Stack white dinnerware, arrange clear glass jars filled with pantry staples, and incorporate woven baskets to introduce warmth and texture. Balance is essential. Too many items create visual noise, while too few can make the shelves feel empty. Mixing practical objects with decorative accents results in displays that are both beautiful and useful. This approach makes the kitchen feel welcoming, lived in, and thoughtfully designed rather than overly staid. No kitchen truly feels complete without a touch of nature. Plants instantly soften hard surfaces while introducing color, texture, and a sense of freshness that artificial decoration simply cannot replicate. Small potted herbs like basil, rosemary, or thyme serve both decorative and culinary purposes, making them perfect additions to a modern farmhouse kitchen. If natural light is limited, low-maintenance plants or high-quality faux greenery can achieve a similar visual effect. Whether placed on floating shelves, windowsills, or countertops, greenery breathes life into the room and reinforces the timeless connection between the home and the natural world. Beautiful kitchens are successful because they work well first and look beautiful second. Before investing in decorative accessories, evaluate how efficiently the space supports everyday cooking and family life. Keep frequently used utensils within easy reach, organize pantry items into clearly labeled containers, and maximize storage with drawer dividers or cabinet organizers. When functionality becomes the foundation of the design, the kitchen naturally feels more peaceful and enjoyable to use. Modern farmhouse style embraces this philosophy by combining practical living with understated elegance, proving that thoughtful organization is one of the most beautiful design elements of all. Trends come and go, but timeless design continues to feel relevant year after year. Instead of filling your kitchen with trendy accessories that may quickly lose appeal, invest in classic pieces crafted from natural materials such as wood, ceramic, stone, linen, and metal. Neutral colors paired with authentic textures create a versatile backdrop that evolves effortlessly with changing seasons and personal tastes. By focusing on enduring design principles rather than temporary fads, your kitchen remains stylish for years without requiring constant updates. This thoughtful approach saves money while creating a home that feels authentic and lasting. After every surface has been refreshed, every texture layered, and every decorative piece thoughtfully placed, lighting becomes the finishing touch that truly transforms the atmosphere. Warm ambient lighting highlights the natural beauty of wood, softens painted cabinetry, and creates inviting shadows that make the kitchen feel comfortable throughout the day and evening. Pendant lights above an island, understated sconces, under-cabinet lighting, or a statement farmhouse chandelier all contribute to both function and character. Choosing warm white bulbs instead of cooler tones enhances the cozy, welcoming feeling that defines modern farmhouse interiors. Great lighting doesn't simply illuminate a room, it reveals the beauty of every design choice you've carefully made. As you've seen throughout this makeover, creating a beautiful modern farmhouse kitchen doesn't require a complete renovation or an unlimited budget. By focusing on thoughtful upgrades, refreshing cabinets, updating hardware, introducing natural materials, improving organization, incorporating meaningful decor, and finishing with carefully planned lighting, you can completely transform the heart of your home one step at a time. Every small improvement builds upon the last, creating a kitchen that feels brighter, warmer, and more inviting for everyday living. If this makeover inspired your next home project, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to DecoHolic for more beginner-friendly decorating ideas, and share your favorite transformation in the comments below. Until next time, remember that beautiful homes are created through thoughtful details, one small change at a time.